In a fast-paced business environment, maintaining a healthy cash flow depends on precise expense management. Welcome to HelloBooks, where we've simplified the complexities of outgoing payments. Let's walk through the professional workflow for recording vendor settlements with speed and accuracy. To begin recording a vendor payment, navigate to the Purchases tab on your main dashboard to access your company's records. From the Purchases menu, select Bills. This is where you can track and manage all your outstanding vendor invoices. Locate the specific bill you wish to pay from your list and click on the bill number to open the detailed information. Review the invoice details to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, click the Record Outgoing Payment button to start the process. Next, choose the appropriate bank account for this transaction by selecting it from the Account drop-down list. After selecting your account and reviewing the payment details, simply click Make Payment to finalize the transaction. Your records will be updated automatically. Precision in your accounting is just a conversation away. Now that you've seen how HelloBooks simplifies vendor payments, let us show you how it can transform your entire financial workflow. Visit our website to book a personalized demonstration and see how we can tailor our solution to your unique business needs. Take the next step toward smarter accounting today.